Homeowners in Plymouth understand that the local climate can be unpredictable. From persistent rain to cold winters and occasional storms, the region's weather puts your home's exterior systems, especially your gutters, to the test. When choosing the right gutter system, you must consider Plymouth's unique weather patterns to ensure long-lasting protection and efficient drainage. Here's how the local climate affects your gutter installation decisions and what options work best for year-round performance. Frequent rainfall and drainage efficiency. Plymouth experiences frequent and sometimes heavy rainfall throughout the year. This makes gutter capacity one of the most critical factors in your installation choices. Standard residential gutters, typically 5 inches, may not always handle Plymouth's rainfall effectively. Instead, many homeowners opt for 6-inch or oversized gutters that can manage higher water volumes and prevent overflow during intense storms. Additionally, the pitch and alignment of your gutters are crucial. Improper slopes can cause standing water, leading to corrosion or leaks. A professional installer will calculate the correct pitch to ensure water flows freely toward downspouts, even during downpours. Cold winters and ice dams. Winters in Plymouth bring freezing temperatures and snow accumulation, both of which can pose challenges for your gutters. When snow melts on the roof and refreezes near the edges, ice dams can form, blocking water flow and potentially damaging your gutters or roofline. To combat this, it's essential to choose seamless aluminum or steel gutters, which are more resistant to expansion, contraction, and cracking under temperature fluctuations. Adding gutter guards or heated cable systems can also help prevent ice buildup by keeping water moving and reducing debris accumulation that can freeze over. Seasonal storms and wind resistance. Coastal storms and strong winds are not uncommon in the Plymouth area. These weather conditions can dislodge poorly secured gutters or tear away lightweight materials. That's why installation strength and material durability matter as much as gutter size or style. Opting for heavy-gauge aluminum, galvanized steel, or even copper gutters ensures better resistance to wind damage. Secure hangers spaced closely, about every 2 feet, can provide additional reinforcement, keeping your gutters intact during stormy conditions. Temperature fluctuations and material expansion. Plymouth's climate features frequent shifts between warm and cold temperatures, especially in spring and fall. These temperature swings can cause gutter materials to expand and contract, leading to warping, joint separation, or leaks over time. Choosing a material that tolerates these shifts is key. Aluminum remains a popular choice because it's lightweight, rust-resistant, and flexible enough to handle expansion without cracking. Vinyl gutters, while affordable, may become brittle in cold weather and aren't ideal for Plymouth's variable climate. Coastal air and corrosion resistance. Being near the coast, Plymouth homeowners also face the challenge of salt-laden air, which can accelerate corrosion in metal gutters. For properties closer to the shoreline, investing in coated aluminum or copper gutters provides superior protection against rust and salt exposure. Regular maintenance, such as rinsing gutters and checking for corrosion, further extends their lifespan. Debris from trees and seasonal maintenance. Plymouth's leafy neighborhoods bring another consideration: falling leaves and twigs. Clogged gutters can quickly lead to water overflow and damage to siding or foundations. To avoid frequent cleaning, micro-mesh gutter guards or leaf filters are excellent additions. They allow water to flow through while blocking debris, reducing maintenance and improving year-round performance. Partnering with local experts. Because Plymouth's weather is so dynamic, working with a local gutter installation expert ensures your system is tailored to the region's specific needs. Local contractors understand how to account for rainfall intensity, snow loads, and seasonal changes. They can recommend the best materials and configurations for your home's design and environment, ensuring lasting protection and peace of mind. Final thoughts. Your gutter system is your home's first defense against Plymouth's ever-changing weather. By choosing the right materials, sizing, and professional installation, you can prevent costly water damage and extend your roof and foundation's lifespan. Whether it's preparing for heavy rain, winter ice, or coastal air, Thoughtful gutter choices tailored to Plymouth's climate ensure your home stays protected all year long.